Hey everybody, welcome back to the White Winable Garage. Today we're going to work on my 98 Chevrolet 1-ton with a 5.7 liter. It's had an intermittent problem where I can't control the air flow from the air conditioner, on that matter the heat. The vent is stuck to the windshield, so all the cold air is hitting the windshield. Eventually cools the cab, but it's not right, so let's get it fixed. The hardest thing for you might be to find a wiring diagram. I use All Data. They have a DIY subscription. It's $19.95 a car, I believe, for the year. If you have multiple cars, there is a discount. So I'll show you my wire diagram I got from All Data, and we'll go from there. So what we're looking after in my case is the mode door motor, how they identify it here. Don't confuse that with the temperature control motor, which they call blend door. So identify the right motor. Luckily mine's easy to get to, and it's only a 3-wire system. You have power with key on a brown wire, black goes down to ground, and the white wire goes to all of this mess here, which is all contained in the HVAC control module, basically the switch on the panel that controls it. I'm not smart enough to really know all of this, what's going on here, but because of the complexity, what I do expect to see on the white wire is a selection, when I select that, is a variance of voltage. That's the only way I can think of that this would work. So let's give that a shot and see if that theory is correct. All right, fancy name for the HVAC control module is nothing more than the switches on your dash panel, and the one we're after is the mode selector for the direction of your air coming into the cab. And that's what doesn't work in my truck, so let's go down below and I'll show you the actuator, the motor. I already took out the actuator because I wanted to make sure that the door itself wasn't seized, and that was the problem. So we took this off. It's just 2 bolts and a connector there. Comes out real easy. All right, it's a little tight under here, but the motor fits, that slot there fits to this. Of course, I've changed it around, but this just comes off, and in my case I had 2 screws, but it looks like there's places for 3. But anyway, I took that off because I wanted to make sure that the doors in fact are free, and you can see that they're moving. So that step is taken care of. Let's go to the wiring next. All right, there you can see we had battery voltage. That's good. Next one should be the black wire, and that's going to be, should be 0 voltage. Okay, we're on there, 0 voltage. So we have a good ground. The next is white wire. All right, I got you set up on the brake pedal. Hope you don't move. I'm going to reach up and move the mode selector. And you can see we have a change in voltage just like I was hoping for. So what we're verifying is the switch works, the wires down to this actuator are good. So we need a new actuator. And they're about $43, so I didn't want to make a bad call and just replace it without verifying. There's the Napa part number. It's not OEM, I would prefer that, but I live in a small town, so I have to take what they have. All right, parts installed. Just have 2 screws there, plastic, or they're metal screws going into plastic, so don't over tighten those. I had the key on, and good, part works. And now I have the ability to select where my air goes. I haven't had that in a long time, so that'll be nice. All right, guys, I appreciate you coming along. That is a fix. So there you have it, a fix on my 1998 Chevrolet. And I have the ability to select the mode I want and have the air go where I want. So pretty easy fix, guys, just 2 screws, connector. But the whole point of the video is to do a little troubleshooting, make sure you're going after the right part, because you wouldn't want to buy it and not be able to return it. Some electronic parts you can't return, and you'd be out $43 or more. So that's it for this video. Appreciate you guys hanging around. We'll see you on the next one.